Too. I guess it's blue sky today. So nice. Oh, my driver's home. Odi, is that your daddy? Odi, it's daddy. No, not there. You're not gonna go potty in there. Come here, where you wanna go, Papa? Where you gonna go pee-pee? Huh? You going pee-pee? Odi's gonna go pee-pee. Not that green. Are you trying to pee in that? Ode? Ode? Are you trying to go pee-pee in there, Ode? Where you going? Guys, oh, simple with my sandal. Huh? Yeah, there's flowers. Ode, are you thinking? Hi guys, summer is real. Oh, thank you so much, Lord. Hello, sun. Boom, shakalakala. The sun is rising. It's really sunny, guys. So, guys. There, guys. Ari lang ta diri, guys. Oh, no. You pee-pee there. Odi, come here. Come. You wanna eat the flowers? No. Yeah. Sit. You wanna sit? Sit down. Sit.
Adi, sit. Adi,
Sit.
Adi, sit. Sit.
Good job. Alright, you wanna flip over, Odi? Flip over. It's like there is nothing there to eat. There's nothing to eat, huh? There's nothing to eat, Odi. Are you done pee now? Alright, let's go. Let's go so we can go shopping. Look at the flowers, guys. It's sunflowers. Is it sunflower? Check it out, guys. Sunflowers. It's wildflower, guys. Oh, there is a bugs. Where is it? No, actually, she's dead. Jadan, our favorite. Beautiful day. Yes, mom is coming. Oh, more flowers from daddy. Got more flowers, guys. Cha 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 cha. Cha 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 cha. We got more flowers. Let's get the flower. Oh, I thought it's a flowers. You wanna go pee-pee there, Odi? Chadan.
There's some plants that I'm gonna put in there.
Chadan.